kubanga esinkingire sente nyingi n'omwikaliro myaka gino mitano gihoireku obuwumbi 17 bwizira mu district eno nga bakulongosa amanzira kuzimba amasomero kuzimba amadwaliro ekizibu kirente sente gino ndigiteebwa ku mulimu gwe kiteekwa okola kolera hamu kubonanga buli kasente akayizanga kakuyamba muntu wa bulijjo kateebwa okumulimu gwe kateekwa okola tutuukire nawaikoke maligamerere ekizimbe ekyobukayira 5 basiigire kuberangi ekizimbe kibaliika ati bazimba administration block obukayira 5 batoire matafali nga basuka ku bitakali nga basuka ku bubale kungulu.
So on other projects within Kaliro, you've seen it for yourself. First of all, startup funds which came to the sub-counties. That one you saw the buildings vis-a-vis the money invested. There's no value for money. Issue of COVID there's no value for money. Then now you go to engineering works in the district. There are issues there's no value for money. Water. Because I've also found out that while NGOs put in money to support some of the projects, the same money, part of the projects which NGOs put in their money, is also what our technical people are using to account as part of what government is doing. So I'm coming up with a letter I'm going to write to the NGOs in this specific district here in Kaliro. I'm also, I picked even in Buyende, even in Kamuli, I'm picking information that these NGOs thank a lot of boreholes here. So while we might be thinking that it is we are accounting for ours as government, they are using the NGOs to account on behalf of government, which is entirely fraud and corruption.